JD here with Conquest Adventure Mines and Delavega Exploration. We're out today at the Redbird claim. You can see behind me here we got a little bit of snow on the ground. A little muddy on the road, so should be a little fun ride coming up in here. So let's go for a ride and see what we can find. Welcome back, folks. JD here. Made it up here to the Redbird mine. Sitting on top of the little bit of a tailings pile here. Got ourselves a shaft. That thing right here. Goes down. Looks like it kind of collapsed in down there. Got this real green material that's on these rocks. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably a turquoise. I could be wrong, but you can see that right there in the rock. It's like a turquoise looking color. But man, the view up here, so beautiful. Full snow, as you guys seen on the way in. The road was pretty snowy. Got over here a little bit melted off though. Real muddy though. But that smell from the wet, and man, just what a beautiful ride in here. Beautiful country. Real nice. We'll be pulling a sample off of this. Heading over and to the next project that we got for the day. Hopefully we get up in there. But anybody interested in this property, go ahead and get a hold of Jeff and get her done. Come out and have some fun. There'll be deer, elk, all kinds of wildlife up here in these hills, all kinds of stuff. So if you like the outdoors, want to get out and check out some property, possibly get some gold or some of that good rich stuff, get a hold of them. Get on out here and enjoy the view. Thanks, folks. Till the next adventure.